Voila.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries. Anyway, I owe you big time after the whole...
Ella kidnapped Clanger, I know.
Quite. Anyway, it's not your fault. It's a really shoddy booking system. It's got more bugs than my old student mattress. People used to think I had fleas.
Oh, fantastic. How are your skills in the kitchen?
Oh, I'm more of a tech nerd.
Yeah, I had noticed, but like you said, you owe me, and the sous chef just called in sick.
I really think this is a bad idea. You talk to Harry, and you can no longer control how this plays out.
Well, I have to.
Court's been the jump of the day. We are winning in there. Losing, you get the idea.
Look, I know what Harry's like, and if he is suspicious of you, then he's not going to stop, which is going to ruin everything. So he needs to know why we're doing this.
Well, you want to talk to him in here, one-on-one? I can't sort that.
What, you're supposed to be this brilliant lawyer, aren't you? Find a way. Now.
Well, we both had a really long day in court, haven't we? Do you know, that prosecutor has exhausted me. Maybe we should just go home.
Yeah, you can. I need the distraction.
Well, I could always distract you. At home?
Well, thanks, darling. Now, there's nothing quite like the meditative process of slicing an aubergine to take your troubles away.
Oh, charmed.
Right, okay, and let me get you your dessert menus. Already got desserts? Let me get you the bill.
Right, I can explain.
What's she doing here?
I thought you knew.
Fire!
Pink, watermelon coloured lolligates. Pink, watermelon coloured lolligates.
Are you two concentrating, or are you just playing on your tablets?
Both.
What is wrong with you today? You're being well stroppy.
My mum died.
I know, sweetheart. And it's difficult. I'm just worried about you. Feel like you're up to something. Is that you? What do you think I know?
What, so you offered her a job and you lied to me about it?
Because you had so much on with the trial and you weren't being objective.
Look at the place!
It's not my fault. Someone called in sick, and then I let too many people in because the booking system crashed.
Well, that was a coding error. Basic HTML thing. Whoever designed that should be shot. Well, we could talk about that later.
Oh, come on, Tony. Look, given the circumstances, she has done a pretty good job.
You knew what you were doing.
Diane said you were okay with it.
Yeah, but you're not stupid, are you? I mean, after the way I spoke to you yesterday, the way I laid into you.
Well, I'd hoped you'd regretted every word.
What's the regret?
Oh, have you heard yourself? Do you ever wonder why you've had 3 failed marriages?
Oh, no. I know exactly why. It's because I marry emotionally unstable women. You see? There's the proof. I didn't mean you.
Do you know what? I have had enough of you, and we're not going to be your punch bag, okay? Now, you might be worried about Steve and Harry, but it does not give you the right to take it out on a woman who's trying to get a life back together. And don't come crawling to me later with your flowers and your apologies, because I am not interested.
Leah, if there's something that you're not telling us, something you're hiding...
It's nothing.
Hey, I got your text. Here, sweetheart. Talk to me. Tell me what you're hiding. Okay, look. Whatever it is, okay, you can tell me, and I promise you, you will not get into any trouble, okay? No matter how bad it is, we can work it out, okay?
It's been like this all day. I know that you're up to something in the kitchen.
I wasn't.
Then, how do you explain this?
Leah, sweetheart, what's all this about?
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
He's my paralegal. We just need a few moments.
Why are you letting him do this?
You're gonna have to keep your voice down.
No, he is the worst lawyer in the world.
I could sue you for that and win.
I don't know why, but he is working against you.
Harry, please.
You can't just give up.
Okay, I know you're feeling broken and that you're tired, but this is not the way.
I don't really have another choice.
How can you say that? Hey, think of the kids. Think of everything you're gonna miss out on. They need their dad.
Well, they have Ryan now, so they don't really need me.
No, do not say that. What's he got on you? Hey? What's he threatening you with?
Don't look at me.
He's messing with your head.
Look, it's not his fault, Harry.
Wait, then explain to me, because I don't understand.
Can you just give us some space, please?
I'll give you a few minutes, man.
Please. Steve, just tell me why you're doing this.
Because I know who really killed Amy. Accidents, sweetheart. They happen to everyone. And you can't be blamed for that, and you can't get into trouble, okay?
You promise?
I promise.
Don't tell them.
Hey, do you know what she was talking about? Do you know what happened?
The person who came in that night. The person that hurt Mummy. Don't.
Lucas, tell me, please.
I wet the bed. He keeps doing it.
May.
He's scared that the man might come back. Worried we're not safe.
Is that what you've been lying about? Is that everything? Come here. Listen, I will never let anyone hurt you, okay?
Have you been covering for him? Washing his sheets?
Mummy died. I promised I'd look after him.
Oh, sweetheart, come here.
Are you gonna speak? I mean, how could you possibly know who really killed her?
James. He worked it out.
James? You trust in him?
To be honest, it all makes sense.
What does? Who did this? Who are you covering for?
It was an accident though, wasn't it?
I mean, it must have been.
My Amy, she was an amazing woman. It was a wedding day. Nobody wanted her dead. Do you think she knew? Hey, do you think she realised in that moment that she was about to die?
Just tell me, who are you covering for? Who killed Amy?
You did. Hurry.
Amy?
It was you.